Imagine a crypto platform that already manages $20 million in assets. Now, imagine they are preparing to launch their own native token, and you have a chance to look at it before it ever hits the public market. Think of this pre-launch token sale like holding a VIP pass. You are getting an early look at an exclusive club, while the front doors are still locked to the general public. That VIP pass is called the Park token. It is built directly into the platform to give users voting power and specific perks when they use the service. But because we are in the pre-launch phase, you cannot buy Park on any regular crypto exchange yet. It simply isn't listed anywhere. Getting a window into an established platform before public trading starts is rare, but stepping in before the crowd also brings a distinct set of unknowns that we need to unpack. This diagram shows how EarnPark makes money. Users deposit cryptocurrency, and the platform generates interest, returning a larger amount back over time. They accept major assets you already know: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. The platform has proven it can attract capital, currently holding $20 million in user assets under management. That number stands out in the crypto space. Usually, a startup creates a token, asks you to buy it, and promises to build a working product later. EarnPark did the exact opposite. They built a functional, revenue-generating platform first and are only now launching a token to back it. This grid represents the absolute maximum supply limit. There will never be more than 1 billion Park tokens in existence. Out of that billion, only a small fraction, roughly 38 million tokens, are being made available in this current pre-launch sale. But what happens if some of those 38 million tokens don't find buyers? There is a built-in safety measure to keep the supply from getting too high. Any token from this initial sale that does not sell is permanently destroyed. It is removed from the world forever, so the market doesn't get flooded. By cutting away the excess, this system ensures that the total supply stays rare, directly protecting the value of the VIP passes that people actually hold. So, without an active exchange listing to look at, what is one of these Park tokens actually worth today? The honest answer is that because there is no public market, there is absolutely zero public trading history to reference. This $15 million figure is a mathematical projection of the project's worth if all tokens were released, a sticker price based on early sales. The real test comes on a live public exchange, where buyers and sellers negotiate its natural market price. Until those open market gates swing open, that $15 million number remains entirely theoretical. On the bullish side, EarnPark brings real revenue and $20 million in the bank to the table. Seeing that much traction before a token even exists is rare. On the cautious side, we are looking at a token with zero trading history. Historically, early sale tokens can experience massive, unpredictable price swings the moment they finally go live on listing day. The bottom line? There is no listing on a major global exchange yet. Trying to trade Park right now through normal channels is simply impossible. Because you have a strong, working platform paired with a completely untested token launch, the smartest play right now is a strict watch-and-wait strategy. If you want to know the exact second that exchange listing finally goes live, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Before you go, we need to be clear. This video is for educational purposes only and is absolutely not financial advice. All cryptocurrency investments carry high risk, and prices can be severely volatile. Navigating pre-launch tokens requires caution. Always do your own independent research before committing a single dollar.